Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited 4-wheel drive, stock number E1817P. 66,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, brilliant black in color. Do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle as well. 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seats 5, leather interior. Rear outboard seats are also heated. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety, and power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear. Hooks on both sides. Perfect for keeping plastic grocery bags secure. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Limited has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof. Large, easy to read gauges, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen 8.4-inch infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, heated seats as well as heated steering wheel, dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. And there's of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. 8-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. 4-wheel drive with 4-low. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, moonroof, and power liftgate control. Under the hood, this Grand Cherokee has a 3.6 liter V6, 290 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 17 miles to the gallon and a city average of 24 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information on this Grand Cherokee, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.